It is Friday, April, I don't know, 20, anybody know? Anyway, we're on the way to Indianapolis PopCon.
26th.
Thank you, Jake. And we're on our way to PopCon today for setting up our booth. Doors open at 12:30. And we just thought we'd document our little trip here today. It's not too early in the morning, but it's early enough. So, here we go.
Let's do it.
We're here. It's setup time.
Hey guys, what's up? Kyle from Coz3D, booth 627 here at PopCon in Indy. Swing by and check us out. We'll see ya.